Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's video I have for you this very beautiful silver eyed look with fuchsia lips, which is a very nice Christmas makeup look, holiday season look. This is, my friend, my recommendation for you for today for another Christmas look. So if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brow, as usual, with my Maybelline Express Brow Ultra Slim Pencil in the shade Medium Brown, and this is it. Then I have sculpted them up with my Just Touch Liquid Concealer in the shade 03 Ivory, and I have set up my lids with my Kylie 2 Color Girl Powder Cake, and this is it, my pressed powder. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. And in today's video, my friend, I will have for you a very nice Christmas look, a silver eyed with fuchsia lips look. So let's start with my Oriflame Beauty, this little trio palette, and I will take this on the edge, which is the classic black color, with my flat brush to apply it onto the outer corner. I always start with when I start with the dark shadow, I start with the dark shadow on the outer corner. I put it on the outer lid, as you see, and then I pull it a little upwards under the brow bone area. Very, very beautiful this look. I really love it. I'm doing the same onto my other eye. I'm putting on the outer part of the eye the darkest shadow I have. Then I'm gonna take from another palette this color, which is a light coral color, and I'm gonna take it with this flat brush to do my crease. I will always dust off the excess of the colors from the inner part of the eye till the outer corner. I always choose a matte color for this part of the eye, the outer crease, from the inner part of the eye till the edge of the outer corner. And on the other eye I'm doing the same. And of course continue with the same three palettes with this in the middle silver shimmery shadow for the inner part of the lid, with a flat brush of course. And I put it on the inner part of the lid. This will be a very beautiful silverized look, and silver, trust me, is one of the colors that, with gold of course, we must wear in the holidays. Beautiful silver look. And on the other eye the same. I have told you another time that the most usual and easy and blendable look for you is to use three shadows. One light for the inner crease, which must be matte. One darkest for the outer corner, and one or matte or shimmery for the inner corner. This is the most usual look, the usual look for all of us. And of course in this look I will have an eyeliner. That depends on my opinion, on what I want to do in this case, unless I have a very sparkly shadow, in which the most times I avoid the eyeliner. I use it like it is, if it is very sparkly. In this look I will have only shimmery and matte shadows. And of course with my middle finger I will have from the other palette this, which is an undertone medium color, silver color between the inner lid and the outer corner. I will take some of this to connect with my finger the outer with the inner part of the eye. We always have to connect the inner lid, which is very light, with the outer corner, which is darkest. So we have to use a medium color between the two of them in the same undertone of the palette. Not another different, very different color. Unless you have a very colorful look. In this case, I use a silver shadow in a medium color between the two of them. Yes, of course, I will have my Usa's highlighting powder, which is this is a rose gold highlighter. I'm taking this type of brush, dusting off the excess and applying some on the under part of the brow area. And of course some of this. This is a cold look, so I have told you, as my eyes are painted cold, I have to use a cold tone of highlighter, which is a rose gold. It's a cold tone, not a warm tone highlighter. Just a few coffee with my other cup, which is Christmas cup, with bells and other flowers. I really enjoy my coffee when I work. I need that. Now, what else? I'm gonna use this type of lashes, which are thick, long, on the inner part of the eye, shorter, on the outer part, longer. I have told you when you have to do a makeup look for Christmas, for special events, for holidays, always wear false lashes. If you don't like so many big as these are, choose individual, choose half lashes for the outer corner, anything you think it matches to your frame of the eye, to your shape of the eye. I took this type of lash for today. Before that, of course, I have to apply my MAC black brush stroke 24-hour liner. In this look, of course, it matches the classic black liner look, not other color of look. Going to wear this, coming back. My eyeliner is ready. Now I'm ready to move on to use my lash curler to apply my black mascara and of course my false lashes. I have prepared my lashes with my glue for 3 minutes now, I think. I'm gonna use my black mascara by Loaded Lash, volume mascara with vitamins E and B5. I'm gonna apply some 2 or 3 coats of this mascara. I will get this mascara to dry onto my... Of course, don't wear your false lashes without wearing the mascara. Wear first your mascara onto your natural lashes and then get them dry and then apply your false mascara. Don't apply mascara on your false lashes, because you will ruin your false lashes for sure. I'm applying this. I'm gonna let my mascara to get dry. Gonna wear my false lash off camera and coming back, friends. My false lash are ready and now moving on to the face. Fit Me Luminous and Smooth Hydrating Primer. This is our base and always we use primer. This is the moisturizing primer because I have dry to combo skin. If you are a very oily person, choose the primer. Of course, use the primer more matte than mine. You have to wear this and to use it to take it for your type of skin. And on the neck, of course. Anything we apply on the face, from the base, we apply it and on the neck. Super Stay Active Wear Maybelline Foundation 10 Ivory. I will mix it with my Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid 10 Ivory, and this 10 Ivory is my color. Let's have some of this. The one color is more matte, the other is more radiant, more shiny. I will have and the two of them. I will mix and the two of them. I will continue with my Fit Me Babyliss concealer in the shade 10 Ivory on the inner part of the eye, on the outer corner, on the bridge of the nose, on the mustache area, and on the chin area, and 2 lines near the mouth as a mini lift. Taking my beauty blender and of course continue, and just a little touch of the other concealer by Liquid Touch on the inner part of the eye, which is more light, to have more brightness. Contouring. Morphe Concealer Stick 03. This is my contouring. On the outer 6, on the forehead, on the nose of course, on the lips, and on the jawline. Of course, applying this with my beauty blender. Liquid blush by MUA Coral Blush. I will take it with my, because it's a little dark, it is a strawberry color, with my beauty blender, and I will apply this with my beauty blender, of course. Don't be afraid if your blush is a little dark. It's not problem. You will apply it nicely with your beauty blender, and then with the powdery product and the powder, it will be very, very beautiful, the result. And on the nose, some of this, applying it with the wet beauty blender. My Stellar Mon Red, which is another liquid highlighter. And this I'm gonna apply with my beauty blender, of course, always. And on the temple, some of this. What else? Now going to set up the face. Loose powder. Taking some of this, dusting off the excess and starting to set up the under eye area. I have told you many times, on the under eye area only loose powder. The loose powder you can use it for the whole face. The compact powder only for the face unless the eye area. And if you are a very oily person, use both of the powders so you can have your makeup last during many hours in the day. Taking in my compact powder to set up the whole face, I use most of the powders when I want a very extravagant, a very super special event look. I use both of my powders and some of your product and on your ears, so the bases you have, I wear my bases, my foundation and my powders, and I pull them upper and upwards onto the ears because we have to match our ear with the face. So apply your powder and onto the neck and on your ear. We continue with a bronzer. Bronze. Dusting off the excess onto the face, the points we have applied, the contouring. Blush. Over the other liquid blush. But I will use another blush more pinky, coral with shimmer over this because we want a more shimmery look. I'm gonna use the shimmery bronzer from a little palette, which is this. This is a shimmery bronzer which I'm gonna use over the other bronzer so we can have this very holiday look, this very shimmery look. Now, going to end up with my bottom eye area, taking the dark black, applying the dark black under the dark shadow, under the eye, always starting from the dark shadow. Then I will take the color that I have used on the crease to smudge this dark black. I will have some black pencil, black liner into the waterline, upward and down waterline. And of course on the inner lid, some of my highlighter onto the inner part of the lid. The highlighter I have applied on the underbrow bone area. And one coat of mascara, just one coat, not much on the bottom eye. Never apply much mascara on the bottom eye. You will ruin your eye look and your eyes will look much more down. My setting spray, my friend, before I'm gonna use my lipstick, taking off the excesses. Fuchsia lips, Elixir 056. Lovely Pop 05 Marrakech. Classic fuchsia lipstick. Satin lipstick, not matte. Applying onto the whole lips. I really love this color, it is very nice. And over that, I have to apply my Usa's Shiny Like a Star lip gloss, which is a clear pinkish lip gloss. I will apply some of that because I want a look very sparkle. Look how sparkle are my fingers. Onto my lips, my friends. Onto my lips. In the middle and of course onto the whole lips. My friends, as you see, this is a very beautiful look. This is one of my recommendations for you for the Christmas makeup look, the holiday look. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you friends!